Alright, some things made in the shop today. So this was the original shelf I made for the granddaughter. And she said it wasn't big enough to hold her books. So I made this one today. Should be easy enough for her to do it. Anybody wants to try to make one of these? This is just out of a 1x8. 8-inch pieces put together, and the top and the bottom are 6 inches. And you just have to alternate the way it goes, so that way it can hang in the corner nicely. There's about $12 worth of material in there. And then if y'all is trying to make Christmas smalls, this here is very easy for everybody to make. It's made out of furring strips. The pieces here are 6 inches from long to long. The bottom piece is 12 inches long to long. This is 6 inches long to long. 6 3/4, and this is also 6 inches. Overlapped an inch on each side. So anybody can make these. It's about $1.21 of material in that, minus the brad nails and some glue. So anybody can make these. I just like making them. She gives some of them to the family, and we sell a few of them here and there. So, all right. Tell me what you think. Like and subscribe. Thank you.